Hi, this is Dr. Neuhaus. I want to talk to you about heel pain and some of the over-the-counter products that are available to you. We have a good relationship with Fleet Feet Murfreesboro and Fleet Feet Mount Juliet, and they have given us a couple of products that they sell over the counter that are options for heel pain, plantar fasciitis type things. So I want to go over some of these with you. They have plantar fasciitis socks. This is made by a company called OS First, and they sell for $25 at Fleet Feet. They're actually kind of expensive, but let me show you how it works and help you decide if maybe this is something that's beneficial for you or not. So it's a real stretchy material. They're just running socks, but here through the middle they have a little bit more compression. So in the arch area, it adds a little tightness to the arch. So for a mild plantar fasciitis, something like this might be beneficial. They're certainly lightweight, very breathable, comfortable. Sometimes people get relief from taping their foot using what's called a Lodi strap, and this is a kind of a lighter compression version of a Lodi strap because of this compression area that they put through the middle of it. So something to consider if you're looking for options to avoid a trip to the doctor. This one here is a performance foot sling. So the intention of this is to give you compression across the plantar fascia and hold the arch of the foot stable. The way this works is you have light compression on the tip of it, kind of in the forefoot area, and then that compression increases as you go back to the heel, and then as you get up over the ankle, there's a lot less compression. So all that tightness and pressure goes through the plantar fascia, right where the plantar fascia attaches to the heel bone in that arch area, and it gives you better support. And sometimes that's all people need. If you have a real mild case of plantar fasciitis, or it hurts only when you're running, sometimes this is a good option. So it's something that's out there. It's certainly something worth trying if you want to avoid a trip to the doctor. It may not cure the plantar fasciitis, but it may give you a little bit of support and allow you to do the things you want to do. Taping is something, if you're an athlete at all, you've probably had an ankle taped or a knee taped or whatever. There's a lot of tape out now that you can do yourself. One of the products is called rock tape, and this can be used, and we would use it in our office as podiatrists for something like a plantar fasciitis or a tendonitis, Achilles tendonitis in particular. And you can get online, and there's some great resources with how to use the tape and how to try it yourself to avoid a trip to the doctor. So the tape is kind of expensive. This is $22 for a roll, but it's extra sticky. It stays on really well, and it's very firm. And sometimes that's all people need is just a little bit of support. And when you get online and learn the techniques for how to tape yourself, it can be very, very helpful for some biomechanical problems that you might have if you're trying to stay active. The ProTech Spiky massage ball. So if you look at the back here, it shows that this is made for arch pain. So they have a little diagram in the back, and they've got a little design here of the foot and, you know, kind of their anatomy picture. But the whole purpose of this is for plantar fascia relief. So a lot of times when I have patients that have arch pain, plantar fasciitis, I'll encourage them to roll a ball in the arch of their foot. Sometimes it might be a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball or a golf ball. So there's some products over the counter like this that have little spikes on them, and these spikes create a deeper massage. Some people really like that. Sometimes you got to try multiple products and find out what works for you, but this is definitely an option. I think it's about $10 down at Fleet Feet, but this is one option for you.